Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Coming about today, we just have a Porsche Cayenne Turbo 92A model. We just finished replacing the extra airbag, air shock and bag. This one here is pretty bad. So you can see this one here is already starting to leak oil. So the shock absorber is pretty bad as well. So that's the problem with these ones. The shock absorber share the same. They come. You can actually take this off, the shock absorber off, and strip it down and try to actually rebuild them. But it's a waste of time because you got to get a new shock absorber. All right. So a brand new one comes with a brand new shock absorber inside already. So the best way to do it is just get a complete new one, put it on, and then go from there. Because I have tried in the past to do it, and I won't recommend anybody rebuilding them, because at the end of the day, you're putting a brand new airbag into a old shock, 10-year-old, 8 to 10 years old shock absorber, and it's not worth the money to do the whole job again. So now that's all done. If you come back here, inside here, the car, we done the air, nitrogen here, all hooked up to the tank underneath there. There's a tank there underneath on the left hand side, and then we just finished. Now we're going to go forward. Says right rear function, right rear okay, everything's okay. Now we're going to go forward, get the pin, go forward, continue. Now I'm going to go back into the system, trouble codes. Right rear shock absorber valves, open circuit, that's from before. Now we're going to erase it. That should go away, and then just have the jacking mode. The jacking mode there means that I have locked the suspension already. It's just telling me the suspension is locked, because you've got to do that before you put up on the hoist anyway. So now I'm going to disconnect this, do a brake fluid flush, put all the wheels back on, and bring the car down, and then go for a road test. But for now, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.